Hello everyone, today we're going to open or deassemble Experia XZ. A customer initially brought it for a camera fault, but when I use it or I try to switch it off and stuff like that, it doesn't allow me to do that. It gets stuck, and sometime when you are using the camera it shows temperature. Some features won't work, some functions won't work because of a temperature rise. And what I can see from the screen, there are patches there down here. It's colored that currently doesn't show any patch, but now like camera, when you switch on the phone, I see you see some functions disabled by temperature rise. And what I see from the phone, when I switch on, I can see the white background with the spots onto the phone. So it is water damage. I don't know if XZ is a water resistant or some sort of liquid is there. So what are we going to do is that we're going to try to fix that problem, and that it will also be helpful with the same thing like changing the screen or de-assembly of the phone. It's getting hot a lot. Yeah. First thing first, we have to switch off the phone, which is I'm struggling to do. As the phone is off, you have to take out this SIM reader, which contains your nano SIM and your memory card slot. So that comes out. Now to remove it, we need to see where we can open it. So let's start heating it up. I did change something on this phone long ago, but I don't remember that. So we're going to use the heat gun, heat it up to all the corners, it's in the center a little bit, but please do remember that don't focus on one area, otherwise the LCD get damaged. I'm gonna heat it up. For that reason I'm gonna pause the video. I have heated up a bit, gave it a heat to. I'm gonna look for an opening. If I don't see one, you need a sharp object, but now by the time that I'm gonna try to stick in this, it's already normal temperature again now, so I have to heat up a little bit. Can I given some heat to it? We just need a little bit of an opening where we can either I'll put my nail or that thing. I got it. Always try to get those things which can help you in repairs. But as I say, work with your hands. That gives you the right idea how much force you are putting onto the phone. Already looking a little bit difficult. You have to be a bit of patient. We don't want to damage the LCD. What I gave. Okay, I got another idea which I usually use with all the back covers and stuff, but I forgot. So now this thing gonna come handy. I used extra film, not the new one, because it's not that hard the way this one is. And now gently you can go all around it. I accidentally touched the power button, so it switched on. So now we can see that it's going through. We can insert another one under the LCD. Now it will be easy peasy, but don't force too much. You see, you can see that spots moving, so this looks definitely water damage. Now you can go all through. There is a flexi behind it, so don't pierce it too much. This is super HD screen G. I'm gonna pause here and remove the LCD the way if I see something odd which I need to tell you, I'll include that just now. As you can see that I went all around from top till bottom with this thing. Hopefully we have not touched any flexi or anything. By no means it's taking 6-7 minutes that you see the recording. It's almost like 20 minutes that I've been trying to open it with heating it up and then making it loose. This one had too much dust also over time, you know. Where it is stuck now. Okay, there's a speaker, looks like speaker. It's almost opened, only left from left side corner here. I'm gonna heat up again. It's the game of patience. You have to be patient enough. Heat, open a little bit, heat. This is that glue, double-sided glue. Thank God, it doesn't look anything damaged. I'll just switch it on and check now quickly if everything is okay. Yeah, it's fine. So now the next step will be, if you're changing the screen, that's job done for you. You can remove the flexi here, and then if you're changing something else, then you can carry on looking at the video. Okay, now because we are repairing something else, so the screen I need to see now. Slide it a bit. Looks like that it's a log here. See, it's like a clip or bracket or something like these steel pieces, they hold it together. Now we're gonna remove the LCD from the board so we can start looking at the real problem. Looks like a clip-in one. Now I'm realizing that I haven't opened this phone. I was trying to figure it out because normally Sony does not what I have repaired that. Take your time. No, unclip. Yeah, it's unclipped. No, it's like that. We put it aside. Now, if you want to change the battery or other components, we need to look at the screws and stuff. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unscrew everything. If you need to go for the repair, further repair, like just not these screws look like that. They're just sitting there. If you're planning to change the LCD, you just need to remove the ear jack. I said ear jack. Speaker, and paste it onto the new LCD, and then you can just put it back and close it. Use this glue on the side, but if you want to use double tape, you can use that. So for the LCD changing purpose, the video is done. This one is giving us problem with the temperature story and camera, unexpected error. So I'm gonna go and look inside if there is no any the way that the screen was looking from outside. It looked like that it had some kind of liquid in there, but at the back of the LCD I don't see much. I'm gonna open this thing until this. And if this screw is also supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be removed. Other than fragile screen, it's I think far easier than some of the Samsungs. But even if Samsung is difficult, they keep design to to a certain level of techniques that you can open it very easily. Sony sometimes can be deceiving, but I could see that all the screws are out. Okay, I suspected that there's just some sort of protection for, I don't know, what is it down there? Looks like a battery connector. This looks like what NFC, I think. Is there any other screw? any other screw. Let's remove it. I think so it is battery connector, yes. So what is left now? SMG that is out. Initially I was told that this one has a camera problem, so if you want to change the camera, there is the main camera, must be connecting to the board down there. I think there is adhesive here also, yeah. See the white thing there, you go, yeah. So the battery is removed, NFC is removed. Now this is LCD flexi, that's a power flexi. In order to change other stuff, you can go step by step, remove everything. I don't see any other screw for now which you need to remove unless you're changing charging block, then you can use there. So from my side it's goodbye for now. This is how you can replace XZ LCD, battery, NFC, ear speaker, back camera, and I don't know, maybe a couple of other more things. Thank you very much. If you like it, please share, like it, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you very much.